What's going on, Jeff? My name is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. I got in contact with Jaylene. She gave me permission to go ahead and send this. Right off the bat, I type in Willow and Blue Design Jacksonville, Florida, see what pops up. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm looking for your GMB or Google business profile, which should pop up on the right over here if you have one. Turns out you don't. So you need one. So what I would do is right after you see this, if you do, go to GMB, Google that in there, and then just create a new one. It's free. Do that. And now it's not going to be optimized or anything like that, but go through it and at least do something with it. Obviously that's not over here. So I went to, I'm not even going to go to the Facebook port over here, but let's go to your website that you do have, Willow Blue Design Company, Design at Willow, call us at, book appointment, contact gallery services, about. So you have a gallery, kitchen and bathroom. You should have services separated into kitchen and bathroom. But otherwise, this is good. That pops over into the white over there. If you didn't want that, then that's something. I like this. 3 simple ways we can create your dream kitchen, and then you're done. So you definitely want a differentiation between the site and then the footer. And the footer is where you should have your stuff, like your Facebook. You should have Instagram. You should have all of that stuff. This number, any number you have displayed on the page should be a click to call, always. Schedule a chat, even better. So it's not bad overall. The structure of the site is really good. Now, when I spoke with Jaylene, she gave me a different email. She gave me a email for Paramount Homes. So I did take a look at Paramount Homes, and I can only find a Facebook page for it, because otherwise I get Paramount Builders. I got this email over here, which, something like this email. I got Jeff at ParamountHomesJax.com. But this obviously is not it's not working. You have a GoDaddy account for it, but obviously there is nothing here for it. So, I mean, if this is a site you would want to, get up and running, that is another thing we can talk about. Because, I mean, that's not very difficult. You have a lot of content here. Are you posting regularly? You are not. This is 2016. So I'll send the email here. But, we got, guys, you got to start posting more about this stuff. Either that or you have fully transitioned over to design Willow and, or whatever, Willow and Blue Design Jacksonville. But let me show you what happens when I look at the back end of your business. There's nothing here. Okay, and this might be a new thing. So I use something called Ahrefs to let me know how the back end of the business is doing, how Google looks at you. And right now you have no data. You have no backlinks. You have no referring domains. You have no organic keywords. You have no rankings. A UR is basically how strong the website is. DR is how much Google trusts you. Backlinks push those up. The more reputable the backlink, the better. The more spammy it is, the worse. And referring domains is, how we get people back to your website from outside of Google. And then finally, organic keywords is how people can connect with you. For example, this is a type of keyword I would put in. Kitchen remodel, Jacksonville, Florida. It's very specific. It has a service idea. So the service is kitchen remodel and the location is Jacksonville, Florida. Very specific. We actually create Google ads with this kind of stuff because it's when you want to get very specific about something, you get as specific as possible, such as what are you looking for and where are you looking for it. So as we scroll through, see, we have a sponsored results over here. This is not an ad, but let's see what they are. So they're going to be your highest one as far as organic searching goes. They're going to be your biggest competitor. But let me show you what happens when I go a little lower. These guys over here, by the way, this is the GMB. This is what I wanted you guys when I first brought it up over here. This is what you don't have. You don't have one over here. You definitely want to be in the top 3. If you're in the top 3, you'll get anywhere between 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything. So it's very important to get in there. And then obviously you have the rest of this stuff over here. But these guys, Kitchen Design Gallery, are going to be your biggest competitor. Notice how they have their website lined out. Click to calls. They have drop-down menus, products that they're offering. I don't care for the font, but it works. Very clean website. Nothing crazy going on over here. And as I scroll through, they have content, which is exactly what you want. They even have a gallery, which is nice. Showroom, closet, garage. They have products that they're offering with, and obviously these go to other pages. So it's actually kind of clever in a way. And then obviously they may even have a showroom. And very solid, not a ton of content, but good enough. But let's look at the back end of their business. So they have a lot of stuff back here. They have a UR of 28, DR of 13. So Google trusts them, and they have a strong website, and they have decent backlinks to give them the, I wouldn't say a 13 is great for the amount of backlinks and referring domains they have, but it's not a terrible position to be in. And then they have 425 different organic keywords, and they're bringing in 200 people a month through their website. That's not something to just idly, kind of throw away. Kitchen design gallery, not something I would really rank for because anyone in the world can type that in. But this is good. Kitchen remodeling, Jacksonville, Florida. They're getting 50 people a month search for that. They're getting 19 because they're in position 2. When you're in position 1, 2, and 3, you will get anywhere between 10 to 20% of all search volume. So just imagine, they're not even they're getting 40% almost on that one. Kitchen remodeling, Jacksonville, 40. They're getting 15. They're in position number 1. I don't know what that is. It's like, what, 40% right there as well? 4, 12, 34% maybe. Kitchen, actually it's 39%. Kitchen, Jacksonville, Florida, 30. They're getting 10. They're in position number 2, exactly 33.3%. As you can see, I can keep going on and on and on, but look at the type of keywords as well. It's all a service and it's all a location except for the top one over here. And again, these are probably repeat customers, or they're people who got close to kitchen design or something like that. So how does this really help you guys out? So if you guys are looking at Willow and Blue Design Company, and this is the company you're trying to focus on, and not the other one, Paramount Homes, Jax, then you need to start getting keywords. And essentially, step number 1 is you need content. Because if you don't have content, you can't get keywords. And keywords are what we need in order for people to associate themselves with you. All right, no one typing it. If somebody does type in kitchen remodel Jacksonville, Florida, they are not going to find you because you are not ranking anywhere on Google at all. It's kind of like handing in a blank paper for a resume. And then finally, if you wanted to rank yourselves for any of the keywords you do put in, you are going to need backlinks. Good news is I know somebody who has really good backlinks that you can kind of copy off of. These guys, Kitchen Design Gallery. Now, however, if you were looking to kind of do something with this, Paramount Homes, then, you are paying for this from what I understand. You can create a brand new website and focus on this itself. You already have an aged, Facebook page. You just got to start pushing more for it. Anyway, that's all I really got. The biggest piece of advice I can give you for Willow and Blue Design Company is you need to actually put in for a GMP, and that is something you can do on your own. Well, that's all I really got. If you do have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.